ॐ गुरुभ्यो नमः। सहस्रशीरुषं देवं विश्वाक्षं विश्वशम्भुवं विश्वं नारायणं देवमक्षरं परमं पदं विश्वतः परमान् नित्यं विश्वं नारायणगुं हरिम्।
Superstition, black cats and voodoo dolls. I feel a premonition that girl's gonna make me fall. She's into new sensations, new kicks in the candlelight. She's got new addictions for every day and night. She'll make you take your clothes up and go dancing in the rain.
It gives me pleasure to recall my association with Prof P.Sathyanarayana, erstwhile colleague for more than 2 decades in the combined electrical and electronics engineering department. Prof Sathyanarayana is sincere, hardworking and duty-minded. He is a soft-spoken, devoted teacher, and I have not seen him getting angry with anybody at any time. He is also calm and strong-minded even in critical situations. I have 1 or 2 incidents to narrate. At that time, Prof Sathyanarayana carried out his research work for his PhD under giant guidance. He has completed his work and it was a good work. At that time the problem started. He had giant guidance and the 2 guides wanted to establish their supremacy over each other. They wanted each name to be the first name and the problem started. You can understand the tension of the candidate. Finally, 2 or 3 elders prevailed over the situation and the problem was solved. During that period, Prof P.Sathyanarayana was calm and not disturbed at all. And I have another incident to narrate. 20 years back, I was in HOD's room discussing about an issue, and Prof P.Sathyanarayana entered. On seeing him, HOD said, "You have not completed that work, you are sleeping over it." Immediately, Prof P.Sathyanarayana retaliated, stating that he is not sleeping, he is at it, and he has come here only to discuss about that problem. Only a sincere and committed person can retaliate immediately like that. I could see later on the repentance on the face of the HOD for his harsh and hasty words. Thus, Prof Sathyanarayana is a sincere, hard-working and devoted teacher, and he did his best to develop the department during his tenure as head of the department. He is now retiring, and I invoke Almighty to bless Prof Sathyanarayana a healthy and happy retired life.
సత్యనారాయణ నాకు 1979 యాక్చువల్గా 76లో నేను చేరినప్పుడు ఆయన స్టూడెంట్గా ఉన్నాడు, కానీ నేను టీచ్ చేసింది లేదు వాళ్ళు. సో ఐ నో హిమ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఫర్ ద లాస్ట్ 34 years. He is very sincere and non-controversial. And another thing is we had an opportunity to work together in Concordia University. So he was instrumental actually to receive us when we went there to Concordia, Montreal, and he spent about 1.5 years there with us. So that was a very productive period. I still cherish that, their family, and then we were all together there. We used to move together in Montreal. So those days I still remember. Even after coming over here, I had a good contact with him. And I think he contributed quite well to the department with all his sincerity. I understand that he is retiring on 30th of this month after 60 years of fruitful life. I think he has served more than since 1979. He had been serving the department, so it's a long period. I'm quite sure that he has still much more ability to serve the society. After the retirement, he will be joining some institute, I'm quite sure. So still his services will be available to the students. I wish Satyanarayana and his family best of life, and may God bless them and their family.
ध्रुवन्ते राजा वरुणो ध्रुवन्ते नो बृहस्पतिः ध्रुवन्त इन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च राष्ट्रं धारयतां ध्रुवम्.
My association with Professor P.Sathyanarayana is almost 35 years. Right from day one he joined the institute. We used to move together very closely, not only in the campus but also outside the campus. As we were staying in the town, we used to meet together every day and go outside and take some tea and come back late in the evening. So our relation was very, very cordial. And about 15 years, 20 years back, we purchased the land jointly and constructed the houses nearby, adjacent houses. And we are staying together, and without any problem, we are comfortably staying together. Not only ourselves, even our family members are very cordial, and every one of our family members knows the family members of Prof P.Sathyanarayana, and otherwise their family members also knows our family members. So today, as he is getting retired from the university service and attaining a superannuation, I wish Prof P.Sathyanarayana every success in his future endeavors, and pray Lord Venkateswara to shower his blessings on him and his family members and give him peaceful retired life. Thank you.
Good evening. I know Dr. P.Sathyanarayana for the last 37 years. So when I joined in this college in 1977, he was doing his MTech, and in 1979 he joined in our department, that's why electrical and electronics engineering department. And later he became very close friend of me. So he is one of my closest friends. And he is sincere, hardworking, dedicated. In 2003, when I had gone to USA, I was the head of the department here, and during that period he acted as in-charge head during my absence, and he is very cooperative. I wish Prof P.Sathyanarayana and his family members a very peaceful retirement life. Thank you.
I got my first real six-string, bought it at the five and dime, played it till my fingers bled. Was the summer of '69. Me and some guys from school had a band and we tried real hard.
Namaste, I am Dharendra, student of West University from West University College of Engineering, Tirupati from 1997 to 2001. Presently working as scientist in DRDO. I came to know that Professor P.Sathyanarayana is retiring this month on superannuation. Professor P.Sathyanarayana is a well-known person, needs no introduction. His contribution in the field of education is uncountable. He is very soft-spoken person, and he was my guide during my BTech project. The project was microprocessor based electronic voting machine, which we have proven 14 years back under his guidance is extensively used currently in general elections. Sir, even though you are retiring, we promise that the values and the knowledge you gave us will never retire. What we are today is because of your guidance. It was a great experience being under your wings. We are going to miss you a lot. Our eyes are moist on the day of your retirement. I wish you happy retirement life and happy and prosperous health. Thank you.
I've searched around the world, but here I am, a lonely girl. Hard to believe that love has passed me by. That's not the way I planned it. What can I do? What can I say? There's nothing new, just another day. Still there's a feeling.
My name is Kalyan Pabisati. I am the elder son of Professor Satyanarayana. I am honored and grateful to have the opportunity to speak at my father's retirement party. I wish to God that I could be attending this occasion in person and be part of the celebrations. I wanted to keep this short and funny. I'm afraid it will be short and sentimental. My father was born in a remote village called Kottakota in Anantapur district. He is the youngest among 4 elder brothers and 2 elder sisters. This is probably where he learned qualities like patience, humbleness, kindness, and generosity. Most of my dad's family's profession is business. I could never imagine my dad being a businessman. He picked a great profession of educating a generation of students in engineering. I would like to share a story from my childhood. Me and my elder cousins were planning to open a hundi. You know, the ones made out of clay? We did this to buy a cricket bat without anyone in the house knowing about it. My job was to be guard and notify my cousins if anyone was approaching. Fortunately, we were caught, and my dad's stern warning about being honest still resonates in my mind. I believe my brothers remember this and have learned from it. My father is known in the family to be very patient and kind. you can convey anything in a couple of ways. Dad always chose kind words over harsh words. And this quality of his earns him a lot of respect. To this day, I try to mimic my dad and have not learned this fully yet. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my dad for all that he has done for me to be successful. I hope that I could do the same with Sarayu and Vihan, my daughter and son. I would like to thank the organizers for honoring my father and his service to Sri Venkateswara University College of Engineering. Enjoy your dinner and the rest of the evening. Thank you